In today's video, I will walk you through how to convert your voice into any character with ElevenLabs. Start by looking at the left panel of the ElevenLabs interface and select the Voice Changer option. Once you're in the Voice Changer, you can choose how to provide your voice. You can either upload a pre-recorded voice file saved on your device or record your voice directly. After you've uploaded or recorded your voice, move over to the right panel. Here, you'll find the available voice configuration options. Start by selecting the voice you want to use for the transformation. You can choose from voices provided by ElevenLabs, explore third-party voices, or select your own voice if you've already cloned and uploaded one. Once you've selected the target voice, you can adjust the available settings to change the final result. Use the stability setting to adjust the stability of the voice. Then, adjust the Similarity setting to control how closely the transformed voice matches the selected target voice. You can also adjust the Style setting to exaggerate the style of the voice and create a more dramatic vocal output. Make the adjustments you want using these settings. Once you've selected your target voice and configured the available settings, review your selections. When everything is set, click the Generate button. ElevenLabs will then process your uploaded or recorded voice using the selected voice and settings. After the generation is complete, the transformed voice will be ready. That's all it takes to convert your voice into another character using the ElevenLabs Voice Changer. Start with your voice file or recording, select the voice you want to use, adjust stability, similarity, and style, and then generate the result. That completes the process for converting your voice into any character with ElevenLabs. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorials.